everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can edit a post on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go on your page or on your profile. Let me just enable internet connection here. Okay, reload page. And when you're going to be here, you want to scroll down below to whatever post you got and go 3 dots. And right here, you're going to see save post or edit post. And now you can make it like not public, just private. And the text here, and add a tag friends, check in, sell something, etc. And this is how you can simply edit a post on Facebook. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.